and thanks for joining us today. So today we're going to be opening up the Navage Nasal Care package deal that I got from Amazon, and we're going to see what it's all about. I bought this because I've been having issues with blocked noses for a while, and somebody recommended, hey, you should get one of those nasal kits. So I figured, okay, let's check it out. Today we're going to do an unboxing, quick little review, and go from there. So here we go. So it came like this out of the, of course, opened up the box. And we have, of course, a plastic bag with everything in it. So what do we got here? Okay, so let's start with a few things. Start with the basics. We have what appears to be looks like a carrying case. Oh, look at that. It's got Navage on it. Nice little branding there. We have this, which is looks like it's a holder or a stand, most likely for the Navage. If I actually look at this side by side, I'm thinking that's what it's designed for, to hold that. How does this fit together? Ah, yes, that's how it fits together. Okay, so I'm thinking this goes into there. Ah, yes, there we go. Can you see that? How it connects right there? Boom. Okay. And that slides on there, goes into there. I don't know if you can catch a glimpse of that. You push it in. All right, so that's in place. Okay, so we're going to put that there. And then, of course, the unit itself. So let's take a look at the box, shall we? There's Nasal Care. Looks like this. Powered section. All right, let's give it an open, shall we? Oh, wow, they really seal this really well, don't they? All right, so it looks like that is the nose spout where it actually plugs into the nose. Most likely a replacement. Looks like a cleaning swab as well. Packaging. Here, Navage. There you go, owner's manual. What's this? Best results, pointers. These look like the salt tabs, or the salt water tabs are needed to help with the cleansing process. All right, let's get to the actual machine. So we got more tabs and more tabs because we got an actual kit type package. So, what else do we do here? And another card. Here, well, I don't know if that's free because I bought the package, but maybe they'll send me another one. And of course, as you can see, the box is empty. Okay, so let's put the packaging over there. This shot. Okay, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, which I'm not complaining. She's sealed shut, Joe. It's a cute little thing. Okay, so I'm thinking we have this. Not an extra, it's actually the only one. I think there was a kit that had actually an extra one. This is not it. So this little doohickey goes on here. Comes off. Excellent. And then of course your salt pods here. Wow. And then of course the salt pod I believe goes here. To some extent and to break. Most likely like that. It fits into there. I'm just basing on what we see here. It's before and after. So that fits into there, and then you smush it down and it breaks the actual seal. So that would lead me to assume that this is where you put all your spare pods from stuff, and those go in there. Nice little holder. And then I'm going to assume that this, it does. Okay. So how it works is locker, like that. This little lock. Okay. So that would be like that. And that, same thing. Top part comes like that. Hence by the little locks. We did a little bit of snap, crackle, and pop there for a while, but okay. So hence lock, boom. Off we go. Pretty sure that's where this rack comes into play. And then of course, like that. Which makes me wonder what goes where. So that's just like that. It goes in the center portion, I can see that. Does it dry like this? Aha! Well, that's pretty ingenious. I'm not sure I got the top part right, but the rest seems to make sense. So I'm just going to show you this. What is that? I'm not sure about the top part, but if you can see this, each of it fits into the different components to dry. So that's pretty neat. I guess that's for cleaning and whatnot and everything else. That is pretty interesting. So if I were to refer to the guide, pretty sure it's going to tell me similar things. Once to put everything together, let's take a look at this here. So I'm just going to go over this quickly with you. So here's the user guide. Okay. It goes over, of course, all the details as to what you got to do. Okay. And as I assumed earlier on, the way the pods went in, I'll show you that in a second. It goes over, of course, cleaning instructions and everything else, the steps and how to use. Then you get over here, do's and don'ts, stuff of concern. The breakdown of it all, and that's it. So make note of that. That's how the tube goes in. Like it goes upside down. Oh. Export a view. So as you can see, it goes in upside down. So that is that. So if this were assembled, put that sucker on there, and this opens, and then this wonderful pod you stick upside down, comme ça, okay? That goes in there to hold into place. Then you close it and crush it. And it crushes on, of course, these teeth. Now, since I haven't rinsed this out yet and everything else, I'm not going to do that at this point. I'm going to put it in. So you have to take off that top part. So, go. I'm starting to figure out this. This seems kind of weird. That, I mean, it's not like you can rest it there. It's like you almost have to do it like this. Oh, you know what it is? So this goes here, although it's a degree of separation. And then this front part, this is what this is for. It goes here. Like for it to dry out or something along those lines. And that's all she wrote. Okay, since the nature of this is what it is, I'm not going to actually give you a display of me using it because that would just be kind of gross. But I will post a video down below, a link to a video that actually shows the manufacturer's representation of it, and also in the link below, check in the description below. Other than the video I'm actually going to post somewhere where you can buy this for yourself. It's an affiliate link, of course. Click on it, no additional charge for you. But if you like to pick up one for yourself, it's definitely highly recommended and rated well. I did a lot of research on this before I made this purchase, and I will do a follow-up video in the future as to give you my personal experiences after a period of time, maybe about a month or so. So look for that video as well. I'll give you my honest review on that. Other than that, so I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and the quick review and breakdown and assembly of the Navage Nasal Care irrigation system. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye for now.